So in this video, I will be showing you how to use the Canva Pro version for free and without paying any money, and also how to download your project when you have used some of the features in the Canva Pro version. So I'm working on this project of which I'm going to use some of the features of the Canva Pro version. Now I can't download it. So if you are facing this same problem, you open your web browser, then you type bingo tingo. Now you click on this. So now you scroll down, then wait for 60 seconds to complete. Yeah, now you click on download. Then you click on get here. Boom! Now you have been added to a team. So this is the team that I have been added to. So now you have access to all the features in Canvas. You can download, edit, do everything in Canvas. Yeah. So now let me show you how to download. So in my personal account, yeah, I did this project and I was not able to download it. So now I am transferring it to the new team that I have been added to. You see here, then you click on this. Then it will take you here. Now your project will appear here. Then you click on this. Then you click on download. You click on download. Now your video will start downloading. If this is your first time of seeing any of my videos, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this YouTube channel.